It's Rhonda, and I'm here at Earthworks, and it's early in the morning when it's really quiet here at the garden center. John asked me to come in and talk about what I think is the most important water treatment product that I have on my shelf here at the garden center. It's called beneficial bacteria. Natural waterways have plenty of beneficial bacteria. If you notice that you see a natural waterway or a natural pond and you see that it's clear and the water looks really clean, it probably has a lot of beneficial bacteria in it. The ponds that Earthworks builds have plenty of aeration. They have plenty of mechanical filtration as well as biological filtration. However, they are closed systems and they're man-made. And so we recommend dosing your pond on a regular basis with beneficial bacteria. Why? Your pond is naturally going to have some nutrients in it. The nutrients come from fish waste. They come from decaying leaves that may fall into your pond or any kind of debris that falls into your pond and begins to rot basically or decay. And so those nutrients need something to take them away or consume them. And so beneficial bacteria is a great solution for that. Beneficial bacteria is not visible with our eye, but it does inhabit your pond in little colonies, and its main job in your pond is to consume or take up the nutrients that are extra in your pond. Algae also loves to consume the nutrients in your pond, and so algae, although it's not a dangerous thing in your pond, it's not very beautiful, and people consider it unsightly sometimes. And so if you want to make sure that algae stays at bay in your pond, go ahead and introduce more beneficial bacteria into your pond. You will introduce competition for the food source. That's what you're trying to do. And so if your beneficial bacteria population is heavy, then your algae will be a little bit more light. And so you want to make sure you're doing a natural, sort of not chemical treatment to your pond. This beneficial bacteria is not a chemical, it's a natural treatment to your pond. It's actually different strains of beneficial bacteria in here. We'd also encourage customers to make sure that when you see leaves in your pond, to go ahead and get them up. I have a mulberry tree right now that's losing its leaves, and those leaves are really big. And if I don't get them off the surface of the pond, they will sink, and I know they will decay and create nutrients in my pond. And so I want to make sure I get them up and make sure I'm treating with beneficial bacteria in my pond. Also, customers get frustrated with the amount of algae that's in their pond, and they go ahead and try to do a water change out, like a 25% or a 50% water change out. And we don't advise that, because you are then getting rid of the beneficial bacteria that's either naturally occurring in your pond or that you've used to dose your pond. And so we recommend customers pause for a moment, give us a call. We're here every day, and we'd love to help you work through that algae bloom if you've got one, or that algae situation that you've got, by remedying it with this beneficial bacteria. It is not an overnight solution. However, over time, the beneficial bacteria colony grows, and you go ahead and you get that benefit of the beneficial bacteria consuming or taking up the nutrients, starving out the algae, and then your algae bloom sort of dissipates or goes away. So come and see us. I'd love to talk to you more about this beneficial bacteria product, maybe explain more or answer your questions if I didn't answer them all today. But we're here from 9 to 5 every day except Sundays. We're here from 10 to 5. Give us a call, come on in, check out our website, earthworksjax.com. Our store is online, and you can browse our entire inventory online. Give us a call if you see something that you have a question about, our pricing, and also there are pictures of all of our product there on the website. Come and see us, check us out. We'd love to help you.